In this question, you're given that y is equal to 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by x plus 1 by y plus so on up to infinity. This is also an infinite sequence. So first let us try to simplify this infinite series. So what is the basic unit of this infinite series? So as you can see, you have 1 by x plus 1 by y plus. That is the basic unit, because you're getting alternate x and y's. So if you take this part and if you read this, so how does this look like? 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by x plus 1 by y plus so on up to infinity, which is exactly same as my original function y. So if you take one unit outside of this infinite series, the series won't get affected. So this implies, so y will be equal to 1 by x plus 1 by y plus, this is nothing but y. This expression is nothing but y. So that is equal to 1 by x plus 1 by 2y. So y is equal to 1 by x plus 1 by 2y. So this implies y is equal to, if you take the LCM here, 1 by 2xy plus 1 by 2y. So this denominator goes into numerator. This implies y is equal to 2y by 2xy plus 1. So y and y gets cancelled. This implies 2xy plus 1 is equal to 2. This implies 2xy is equal to 1. So the expression, this equation has finally transformed into 2xy is equal to 1. Now we'll differentiate it on both sides with respect to x. So 2 times x into dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. This implies dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. This 2 gets cancelled. So minus y by x. So if y is equal to the infinite sequence 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by x plus so on up to infinity, dy by dx is simply equal to minus of y by x. So I hope you're understanding how to deal with infinite series as differentiation. So the technique is very simple. If one term is taken out of infinite sequence, the sequence will not get affected.